Hi, I'm Mikayla. I've been working at SofTap for 2 years now after I graduated from college, and I take care of orders. I do graphic design for brochures, and I also do a bit of answering the phone. My favorite needle is the 70. It's a newer one that came out in February, and it's one of my favorites because it cuts your time in half, and you can do eyeliner in about 15 minutes. And it's really good if you want to fill in quickly for a medium thick eyeliner. That we get to see each other every day. That's my favorite part about working in a family business. We get to catch up and build each other up and grow. Outside of SofTap, I love to draw, read, cook, and lately I've been gardening. The most meaningful thing to me about permanent makeup is the client's reaction when they get to look in the mirror and see what we've done, and sometimes it's just the biggest smile on their face, or they get teary-eyed. It's something very special that we're able to help with, and I love being able to help people, especially somebody who's about to go through chemotherapy and they're going to lose their eyebrows. We were able to help give them back what they once had, and it's something very special, and I would love to be able to continue that trend that my family has done to help people. I would love to do that.